Hey, in this quick video, I'll show you how to make an automatic table of contents in Microsoft Word. It only takes a few minutes, and once you set it up, Word will do most of the work for you. First, Word needs to know which lines in your document are headings. Go through and find the titles and subheadings you want in the table of contents. Select a main title like Chapter 1 or Introduction. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon and pick Heading 1 from the Styles group. For sections inside a chapter, use Heading 2. And for smaller subsections, use Heading 3. Dwight, click the heading style you selected and choose Modify. If you change the font, size, or color for a style, every heading using that style updates automatically, so it's easy to keep everything consistent. If you notice, there's a collapsible arrow with every heading or subheading. When your headings are set, place the cursor where you want the table of contents to appear, usually at the start of the document on a new page. Open the References tab on the ribbon, click the Table of Contents button, and choose one of the automatic table styles like Automatic Table 1 or Automatic Table 2. Word will build the table for you using the headings you applied and add page numbers. If you edit your document later, the table of contents won't update on its own, so you need to refresh it. Click anywhere inside the talkie and an Update Table option will appear, or go to References and choose Update Table. You can choose Update Page Numbers only if you only moved or added text, or Update Entire Table if you added, removed, or changed headings. Click OK and the table will refresh to match your document. That's it. Set your heading styles, insert the table, and update when needed. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also comment, what problem do you want me to solve in the next video? Take care and bye.